Welcome to Brain Vision.
In this question, we have given that two bodies are projected vertically upward from one point with the same initial velocity, and it is told that the second body is projected t0 second after the first body. We have to find that how long after they will meet. So we can say that the height of first body after time, that is t, is given by that is after t second, which is h1 is equal to, this is v0 into t minus half gt square, and we can say that height of second body after the time, that is t minus tau, because it is projected tau second after, so we can say that this is h2 is equals to v0 into, this is t minus tau minus half into g into t minus tau whole square. So we can say that when they meet, they both have to cover the same distance. So we can say that if they meet after time t, then we can say that h1 is equal to, this is h2. So from here we get, this is v0 into t minus half gt square is equal to, this is v0 into t minus tau minus half g into, this is t minus tau whole square. From here we can say that this can be written as v0 into, this is t minus t plus tau is equal to, this is half g into t square plus, or we can say this is t square minus, this is t square plus tau square minus 2t tau. From here we can say that this is v0 into tau is equal to, this is half into g into, this will comes out to be 2 into t into tau plus tau square. From here we can find the value of tau, and this will comes out to be, that is tau is equal to, this is v0 by, or further we can say that this is v0 by g plus, this is, wait a while, we have to find the time. So we can say that now tau will cancel out, so this is v0 into tau is equal to half into g into, this is tau, and this is 2t plus tau. So tau will cancel out from both sides, and we can say this is equals to v0 by g, and this will be written as, that is, this is wait a while, this is minus will multiply here, so this will cancel out, and this is minus tau here, not plus tau, we had mistake here. So this is minus tau square, so this will come here 2t minus tau. So from here we can say that now 2 will divide inside, so this will be written as, that is, this is t minus tau tau by 2. So from here we get the value of time t, and the time t is equal to, this is v0 by g plus tau by 2. So this is the answer of our given question, and we can say for that option C is the correct choice. Thank you.